New to the tapo-fix family of accessories is the swivel that is adapted for both the CBX and the S-Series pasting machines. Swivels were a part of the S-Series previously, but not the CBX, and they were a smaller, more condensed version. This is a heavy-duty, sturdy swivel that has multiple ball bearings in the center, very stable, and is designed for use with both your CBX and your S-Series pasting machines. The brackets on the back end are adjustable. It comes with two brass nuts that go onto the threaded screws. So you have a center mount here for your CBX-Series, and you have your outer mounts for your S-Series. This swivel is the SWL3275, which means it works with the S2032 pasting machine and the CBX-75Xa rather. So to mount your swivel onto your stand, you lock your wheels, and it mounts in the same manner as your pasting machine. You have tabs that slide in on the front, and then it simply drops down on the back, and you tighten your nut down. You have a locking mechanism on the swivel that locks it to where it does not swivel, and this allows you to mount your machine onto the swivel, and it also keeps it stationary when you're draining your paste out of your machine or when you're transporting it from place to place on the job site. It's not mobile, it's not moving, but then once you want to activate your swivel, you simply turn your locking mechanism, and now you have 45 degrees of rotation in both directions for both left-handed and right-handed installers. The swivel is designed as an ergonomic tool. You can definitely use your pasting machines without a swivel, but the addition of a swivel allows you to pull paper when you are in front of a table and not have to bend over the table to pull, but instead, as I'm pulling, if my table's here, I can swivel my machine, keep a straight back, I'm pulling my material, I get it to my length because I have my counter attached to the machine, and then I swivel back over my table and do my booking. This not only is ergonomic for your back, but it also keeps you from torquing the paper in one direction as you're pulling. You can apply even pressure to pull the material through your machine without pulling stronger or harder in the direction that you're pulling from. You're pulling smoothly, evenly, and with a straight back, which is important when you're pulling material all day long through a pasting machine, especially if you have lower back issues. This is available for our S2032, our S2040, our CBX-75, CB75Xa, and the CB1000Xa pasting machines. The newly designed swivels incorporate a cutout in the center of the swivel to work in conjunction with your drain plug. The drain plug on all of your CBX-Series pasting machines have always been bottom center of the paste well. The new S-Series that are coming out this year, this summer, also will have the drain plug positioned bottom center of the paste well, so the machines can be drained with the swivel in place. So for mounting, once your swivel is in place, you mount your pasting machine in the same way as you would onto your stand, sliding the tabs into these front locks and then dropping it into position and then screwing on your brass nut, holding it into place. Now, your swivel is able to operate fully functional in 45 degrees in both directions. With the cutout of the center of your swivel, now you can pull your drain plug while it's mounted on the stand, on the swivel, locking your swivel back into place, and you can drain your machine entirely set up as it is.